Kita niyo dyan, there's a big mountain ba? Hindi, volcano yan. Hello everyone, so we're currently in the parking of Tokyo Disneyland for today. That's our vlog. We'll be going to Tokyo Disneyland. Pero not just any Disneyland, it's the Disney Sea. The Disney Sea is the only one. No? Isa lang siya di, no?
It's the one.
It is the one. Isa lang siya.
You're
So,
the one.
You're the one. So, isa lang siya. And the only Disney Sea you can find is in Japan. Pumunta kami ngayon ng Disney Sea. And pinili namin yung Disney Sea since it's the only Disney Sea in the world. And it's in Japan. Since nakapunta na nga kami ng Disneyland in Hong Kong, we chose Disney Sea. Kami na lang dito actually in our bus.
Wala kayo, wala.
Yan, lumipat na kami dito sa harap. So, I'm gonna give you a bus tour. Kasi walang tao. Bus tour. So, it's your typical bus. Mahaba siya na bus. Yung parang bus natin sa Philippines. It's like a tourist bus. They call it the coach. Yung sinasakyan namin to go around in Japan. And it's our third day here in Japan. We're just waiting and I won't be typically walking around here like this, but wala kasing tao. Kaya makakapaglakad-lakad ako ng ganito. Our tour guide, Ayoko-san, yung mga kasama namin, hinatid niya to sa Disneyland entrance, I think. And we're the only ones here in our bus na pupunta ng Disney Sea. So, ayun. Fit check. Later, fit check. So, yeah, we're just going to wait here. Arigato, driver-san.
Hi, Trashan!
Arigato.
どうぞ。はい、ありがとうございます。
Thank
いらっしゃい。
you.
どうぞ。
Hello everyone! So, nandito na kami ngayon sa Hong Kong, Tokyo Disney Sea. And makikita nyo dyan, there's a big mountain ba? Hindi, volcano yan. There's a big volcano. And meron dyan parang castle. There's the attractions around us. Malaki yung nasa likod namin. And Dad and Jojo are just taking pictures. Andyan sila. Imbes na castle, di ba sa Hong Kong Disneyland kasi nakita nyo sa last vlog natin, there's a big castle doon. Pero dito, there's a mountain. Tingnan nyo. Malaki siya. Malayo siya. Mukha lang siya maliit in the video pero yan, hindi na siya kalaki. Magra-rides kami and then we'll watch some show. We'll watch some show and ayun, let's go. Hello everyone, so we're here ngayon sa pila and we're lining up for something that we don't know. Kanina, sabi namin, uy, pila tayo doon madaming tao. Pag pinipilahan, di ba, ibig sabihin maganda. Sabi nung nagpapapasok doon, it's a theater. So, Hindi namin alam kung anong show. Kanina nandun kami sa pinakadulo. Ngayon nandito na kami. Nandiyan na. Yan, nandito na kami. Yan, nandyan yung start ng pila. Papasok.
Kaya pala haba ng pila eh.
Yung effects na lang po. Ano na siya? Sinabay niya po yung effects tsaka yung paggalaw nung ano.
Oh,
Hello
yeah, sige.
everyone!
After
Nandito
that-
kami ngayon sa labas nung first ride na nasakyan namin dito. Anong oras tayo dumating dito? 10. Nakalabas kami ng ride is 12 kasi ang haba ng pila. Pero it was all worth it naman. Though natagalan kami sobra dun sa pila. Now we're walking papunta kami sa toilet kasi kanina pa kami nagpipigil ng ihi namin. Pero yun, we're just gonna look for restroom and then we'll look for a restaurant to eat kasi it's past lunchtime na rin. So late na rin kami magla-lunch. And yan, samahan nyo kami later. Hi! Hey guys, so nandito na kami ngayon sa isang restaurant here sa Disney Sea. They have already ordered our food. Yan. So we're having chicken. We're just going to eat for a bit and mabilisan lang and then we'll look for some other attractions here or rides or shows na pwede namin panoorin. Hello everyone! Nakapag-picture namin, nakakain na din, so we're kinda full charge again. It's getting kinda cold. Sumasampal yung lamig. We're here sa parang street siya. New York ba to? Yeah, New York. So there's a rail here. Yan. Sa tren yan kasi merong umiikot-ikot dito na parang train. Nagdidikto ako ko dinala yung wifi natin. Pero ano na po yung lalamunan ko?
Live ba yan? Ano?
Parang ano, nawawalan ako ng boses. So, si ano yun eh. Basta hindi ko kilala yan, pero yun yung sa ano. Tara ba, picture po tayo. Hello. Sheesh. Ayun. Siya po yung sa ano, 101 Dalmatians. Them first.
はい、お預かりします。ちょっと待っててください。
Alright,
Okay.
alright. It's okay. So guys, nandito kami ngayon. Nakita namin yung isa sa mga Disney characters. Alam ko na she is from 101 Dalmatians, but I don't know her name. So, ayan, we're just waiting for them to finish taking pictures and magpapapicture din kami sa nila. Okay, na po muna.
Hello there, dear. Woo! I can tell you're a bad boy. My goodness.
Oh.
Did you find the puppies for me?
Puppies.
Yes, did you find them?
The 101 puppies?
Yes, darling. Where are they?
I don't know.
I don't know either. We're looking everywhere.
We have to look. We have to look more.
All right, we'll keep looking.
Yeah, we'll keep looking.
Yes.
Can we
It's
take a
for the
picture
puppy-
first?
Oh no, I thought you were clapping for the puppies. I was clapping for the man. Yes, he's very nice as well. All right.
Ang cute. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. How's my picture? Nice. Yay. So we're done taking pictures. It's been real nice. Here's a picture. Yan yung picture. So yeah, we're going to roam around more. Yeah, isasama ko kayo dito sa trip namin sa Disney Sea. Let's go! You got a friend in me. Ayun po yung restroom. You got a friend in me. Ito naman, meron itong parang ganito sa Hong Kong Disneyland. It's called Toyville Trolley Park. I think, ano siya, roller coaster siya.
Roller coaster na.
Let's go. Say hi to my vlog. Hey. Thank you. Thank you. Green screen ka sa akin, boy. $5. Ay, ayun no, si Mr. Potato. Bata pa ako eh.
笑顔を見せてみんなは元気元気なら手を叩こう
Yo, so another update. Nakapila na naman kami sa hindi namin alam kung ano to. Paano ba rin?
Teka, wait.
Wala na. Ano ba naman guys? This is how you gaganyan mo siya. Ako one hand. Kaya hinigit-higit ko na lang siya. Eh, 120. Nasaan yung proof?
Oo, walang proof.
Walang proof. Kami may proof kami. Na-videohan ko.
Sunset ka, inictura namin. Hindi nyo sinabi.
Wow, ang ganda na. Gabi na. Anong oras na? So, ayun guys. Kakatapos lang namin with one ride. Gabi na rito. I think 5 or 6. There's some places na maganda pag gabi. But this place is maganda siya umaga and gabi. We're lucky to see it at night also. We've kinda took so long sa line. We're just going to go here in the CR and we'll roam around more. Yo guys, it's night already and nandito nandito kami ngayon sa may Columbia ship. And then, nandito kami ngayon sa, parang sa may harbor. Tingnan nyo guys. Yan. There are so many lights here. It's not that bright, pero there's so many lights here. And as usual, it's cold, pero it's colder tonight. I think after we roam around, we're going to our bus na rin, or we're going somewhere else. Day 3 of our Japan trip is not yet over, and marami pa kami pupuntahan, so samahan nyo kami. Hanggang tingin na lang kami dito. Kasi there's a bump, I think it's like a bump car, pero nakakita na rin ako nito dati. Alam ko nung may bagong ganito dati sa Star City, bagong attraction sa Star City, but here's a, parang bump car siya pero sa water. So it's already night, kaya hindi na rin kami makapunta dito. May hinahabol rin kasi kaming time, kasi yung bus namin is aalis siya ng 6:30 going to our hotel. Hindi na kami magpapagabi dito, even if, hindi ko pala nasasabi, it's December 31. So later will be the new year. There will not be a countdown here. So 9 magsasara na rin siya. Pero hindi na namin maabutan dito yung fireworks. Diba? Pag Disneyland, there's fireworks every end of the day. But hindi na namin maabutan. It's okay. Madami pa namang chances next time. It's already 5:23 and ayun, we're just gonna go with the flow. Si Jezebel. Yun, kasi kanina pa naghahanap si Dad ng ref magnet. Kasi daw, pag nakabili siya ng ref magnets ng Japan, like Disney, and bumili kami kahapon dun sa parang village doon na napuntahan namin. Para dun sa bago niyang ref magnet, bibili daw siya ng bagong ref.
Ilang nights na lang. 2 nights na lang pala, uwi na tayo. Kaya nga bukas dapat successful pa.
Hello everyone, so I'm back. It's currently night of December 31. And hindi na natagalan kami dun sa may parking ng bus. We're here na ulit sa may hotel namin. And ito, sa tapat ng Don Quixote. So sila Dad pumasok na sila and I'm going inside na rin. And may nakita ko dito na ganito. Alam niyo naman ako, mahilig ako sa Kamen Rider, Power Rangers. Hindi niyo naman siguro alam, pero yun, mahilig ako sa Power Rangers, Kamen Rider, some anime and robot and Gundams and all those stuff. Gundam! It's from Gundam Factory in Yokohama. Hindi kami makakapunta ng Yokohama, pero that's one of my dream places to see the big Gundam that is moving. So, ayun. Hindi ko na alam kung nasa sila Dad. I think they're here naman. Nandun na sila sa baba. Hindi pa tayo nakapag-ramen, eh, no?
営業口までお越しください。
Bakit dapat matcha?
Kada may exam siya.
100 lang. You're going to the party. Hindi ano po, per day.
Per day ba?
So this is going to be day 3 here in Japan.
Kaya
ang,
nyo?
Ang dilim. Agi, lamig. Yo guys, so lalabas na naman po. I'm walking, papunta na ulit ako sa 7-Eleven and I'm just gonna get some coffee for Dad and Jojo and for me of course. Kasi we're gonna stay for almost 3 hours kasi yan, New Year na guys. Magka-countdown kami dun sa may baba ng hotel namin. It's not gonna be as grand in the Philippines na may fireworks and all. But yeah, we're in Japan. So it's already something. So yeah, I'm just gonna get some coffee and yeah, go straight to the hotel na rin. Trusty coin purse. Lagyan na to ng shades, pero ginawa akong coin purse kasi wala akong paglagyan ng mga coins namin. Yeah, we're going to pay 200-ish yung mga coffee. So, naglabas ako ng 600 yen. So, I'm just gonna pay 600 yen to the counter. Let's go. Okay, bukas. I'm going live right now guys and I have 5% in my battery in my camera. So, yeah. Hello everyone. Lapit lang pala nung Gundam na malaki.
1 hour.
Hindi malayo pa. 1 hour. Yung Yokohama papunta dito. Gitna nila tayo. So, kung 1 hour doon, 1 hour dito, 2 hours kung from there. Uy, 2 minutes na lang. Here. So yeah, it's officially New Year. Happy New Year guys. 2024, start of a new year. Magbago ka namin. Bro, the joke lang. Hindi, pero magbago ka na. Change for the best or for the better. And each day should be a progress. So ayan. We'll just enjoy our time here, our new year. And I'll see you later. Mamaya. I'll just see you later. Okay? Yun. Kumusta? Bagong taon na. Dami nangyari, no? 365 days. Dami kong ganap. And I'm sure marami rin kayong ganap. I just want to reminisce the things that happened this year. Mapa positive man, it shaped me kung sino ako ngayon. I'm happy kasi naranasan ko yung mga bagay na yun na I can use to strengthen myself. Dami nangyari ngayong taon. Marami ring mga bagay-bagay na na-achieve. Ngayong taon, graduate ako ng high school. And I have been in high school for almost 6 years. Nakasali ako ng Itbulaga sa Pinoy Henyo. And whenever people hear it, sabi nila, uy, ang galing naman, ganun. Talaga, they're really amazed. First time ko makalabas ng country, first is Hong Kong. And nakapunta ako ng dream country ko, which is Japan. It's very nice being here. And it's really nice. Welcome another year. And I'm sure na I'll be striving for more. I just want to thank you guys, kaibigan, mga tao na sumuporta sa inyo, na mga nanonood. Kasama ko kayo sa pag-grow ko as a person and pag-grow nitong channel natin. Kasi kung wala kayong mga nanonood, wala kayong mga sumusuporta, siguro wala ditong channel na to. Pero as long as you guys are there, I will always strive. Motor yun. Motor yun. Malay mo, this year, I'll have my own motorcycle. Diba? Law of attraction. This year will be full of great things. Claiming it. Galingan natin. Salamat sa panonood. I hope you guys like this video. And napasaya man lang kayo. Kahit konti lang. Pero kung hindi, babawi ako next time. Until next time. ka sa akin, boy. Sali ako ng Eat Bulaga sa Pinoy Henyo. Hindi.
Bagay!
Hindi.
Hayop!
Hindi.
Lugar! Tao!
Hindi.
Bagay!
Hindi.
Hayop!
Thank you.
Pagkain! Pagkain!
Hindi.
Batok!
Rice. Isa-isa, hindi. Wait lang po.